Hey everyone, Angela and Julian here. Today we're hitting the road to Salmo, BC and making our way back to Northern Teardrop for a major upgrade to our trailer. She's getting a brand new batwing awning. We'll take you along for the journey, explore the beautiful scenery around Salmo, and give you a full tour of the finished setup. From mountain views to small town stops and everything in between, this trip has a little bit of it all. So come along for the ride. You won't want to miss this one because this adventure is just getting started. Salmo welcomes you.
Just give it or not.
Oh my goodness, they didn't even look. Museum. You always have to go into the museum. It's not open. What did you get?
I got an IPA, stout, and then cream ale.
Nice.
Erie cream.
We are visiting Northern Teardrop today, and here is the Salmo ski hill. So we thought we'd stop by, come and check it out. I really don't know how far it goes, but there's a trail map up here, so let's go check it out. Lots of people here. It looks like they're all mountain biking. So it looks like they've got a rope tow and then a T-bar from the bottom. So they actually have two from down here. They must set up a little rope tow. You know, at some point before the season, but this T-bar is a little more permanent, so I'll have to look online and see how much a ski pass is for this. But yeah, they tow you all the way up here. How fun is that? Little ski hill in Salmo and then lots of trails. So they are right at the base of this little tiny ski hill. It's super cute. We already checked it out. So the T-bar and a rope tow at the Salmo ski hill, and this is their driveway.
I'll open her up right now for you.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm going. Well, I've got record on, which is sometimes I do that.
So quick and easy. Oh, we still have some packing in there for you.
I invested in like a $4 step stool from the dollar store for me.
Yeah. So yeah, once it's open, just unzip those guys.
Okay.
And
Voila.
start opening. What I like to do is open enough. Oops, there we are. It's hiding.
Oh, there's a bar in there.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
This one comes out.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
It is huge. Usually we would end up tying it off to, whatever happens to be nearby.
Okay.
We usually go down to the, oh yeah, that's going to work.
Oh, that'll work perfectly on the hitch. Okay.
I'm just tying it off
Yeah, yeah.
quickly just for demo here.
Yep.
So, and then you have the back tether, so even if it's raining, you can pretty much stand under cover.
Oh my God, this is going to be amazing.
Oh yeah, so much.
Oh wow.
So much easier.
Okay, I'm so happy with this upgrade. Look at that.
Right? Yeah.
Wonderful.
There's even with it freestanding, so much space and totally usable.
Yeah.
No guy wires to trip over or poles.
Okay.
There are the poles. If things started getting
A little
windy,
gusty.
Yeah.
Okay.
You could just drop the pole down.
Okay.
And then in the bag there's a bunch of guy lines.
Okay.
So, you can tie it down there.
Okay.
What we do when it starts to get rainy, we slacken off the ties, the tethers front and back, so that you can create a little bit more of a valley in here.
Ah.
It starts to sag a little bit.
Right.
And creates a valley so that the water will run off.
Okay.
If not, there is the chance that the water is going to land on here and pool.
Yeah.
And of course, pooling water is going to add far too much weight.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, it works really good. We've had water just just pouring off in the rainstorms.
Okay.
But yeah.
This is exciting.
Yeah, eh?
And this is what they all come with now?
They do.
Okay. Yeah, like we're covered at the back.
Standard equipment is just so much room to, the back is covered.
It might be long. Oh, it's open.
Yeah, I had to get in because I did put some up here, a USB outlet.
Oh, okay.
Because each one of these bars, this white,
Yeah.
is the light strip.
Okay.
And back here, there's a plug-in for the wire, 1, 2, 3, and they could plug in up there. And then light switches for, there's 2 different colors of light, sort of the incandescent sort of color,
Okay.
as well as a bright white. So 2 switches.
Okay. I can't wait to try it tonight.
Oh,
This is
yeah.
going to be great.
Oh, it's going to look great. They're awesome. They're so easy to put up, and we're still so excited about them.
Well, and that was the main thing, is that the other one was so hard for me to do by myself.
Oh,
So putting it away, you just attach the
yeah.
poles back up, which they come with the Velcro, so that's great.
Yeah. Folding it up, just same thing in reverse. It's just as, it's probably half a second quicker setting it up than putting it back.
Right.
Yeah.
Very cool.
And such high quality. They're it's like truss system. It's not solid aluminum. It's built strong.
Yeah.
There are actually these, you can.
Oh, just so pop it up a little bit.
Yeah. I think the idea is that it's supposed to promote even more water flow that way in
Right.
the event of rain. But what we found, it can actually, with those guys up, it can actually.
Oh,
some
pool.
of it does get direct that way.
Okay.
But, some of it can get directed backwards. as well.
Okay.
But
So
in
maybe
that
just do
area-
what you did and just
Yeah.
pull it a little tight with a guy wire or something and pull it down.
Yeah.
Okay. This is great. And is it like a UV kind of material too, or
Oh yeah. It's,
Yeah.
oh,
it's something UV? It looks
I
UV.
forget the
It'll-
particulars.
It's gonna keep us dry.
Yep. Stop. It does have actually a band of Velcro all the way around. If you wanted to
Oh,
put
make
up
a net or
exactly, yeah.
something. Okay.
whole bug-free area.
Yeah, that's handy too. This means I can get rid of all my other things.
So much space.
Yeah. This is great. Oh, babe, we're going to love it.
Awesome.
Yeah. No, very cool. And my bike doesn't even bug it either.
Yeah,
So that's
I thought that was going to get in the way, but yeah, now the cooler.
now you know, right? Yeah, Julian insulated that. I don't know if you saw that. He
yeah,
put
actually, we had
some
started
insulated.
discussing that.
Yeah, he insulated it.
Perfect.
We're going to twin our battery. We've got the thing to do it.
Oh yeah, okay.
I'll shove another battery in there. We didn't bring the solar this time, but yeah, perfect. Okay,
Yep.
and so to put
A
it,
shady place to have margaritas.
I love it. And we're going to go back and have a gin and tonic. So to put it back, it's just the same kind of deal, right?
Exactly. Show you that.
Did you? Oh, you did? Okay, yeah, you tied it off up there.
Yeah.
Okay.
What I have found, you want to, in advance, find the other end of the straps we undid. It's
Okay.
probably laying out here. So if we were to close this all up now,
Yeah.
it's going to pinch them in there. So you give it a flick now,
Oh, and put it over.
gets it out of the way.
Okay.
There.
Perfect. Good to know. So I don't close them in there and then have to find
Yeah,
them.
You'll do it once. And realize there's an easier way.
And then that goes. Oh, okay, so it folds
Yeah.
in on itself.
Here we are. And then we just
Roll that
roll
up.
this whatever it takes to get it out of the way.
Okay. And it's.
I should be able to grab.
Oh yeah, you're so close. I think. Yeah, you think you got it. How many of these are you producing a year?
We're down to, these guys take us a little bit longer, so we're doing 22 a year.
22 a year, wow. Just you and your wife solely, right?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's our kootenai lifestyle. We could definitely build more.
Yeah.
We could sell more than we can currently build.
Yeah.
Thought about getting bigger, but we just prefer to stay small.
There's something about staying small.
The creek's nice and close.
Yeah.
We can just head down to the creek. We don't have to count on employees not
Showing up.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. No, it's a great lifestyle. I mean, we just lucked out when Brent and Kathy bought them, and then we went and saw theirs, and then Julian emailed you, and you had someone with a medical situation couldn't take theirs, and we got their build. So otherwise we were on the wait list for this summer.
This summer?
Yeah.
Okay.
It would be, yeah, because we got ours last June.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Just as quick.
Yeah.
And there's a bag of guide wires and stakes.
Okay.
And this is the wires that are saying attached to the back and plug in.
Oh, to turn the lights on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, another thing to show you. There is. You might find a little bit of sawdust in here,
that's
try to
okay.
keep it out. So we put in a kill switch.
Okay.
Because when the USB is on for powering the lights, this light is always on too. So if you happen to park the trailer for a month and come out, if that was left on, the battery would be dead. So
right.
Yeah.
So okay. So when we're done, just turn the lights off with that.
Yep.
But yeah. And then there's no, like, the lights, this has to be open for the, I guess, the light string, or else it would squish it, wouldn't it?
Actually, we've closed ours.
You close it? Okay.
Yeah, it pinches it a little bit,
but that's okay? Okay.
Oh, and there's the 12-volt outlet that I had mentioned to you. We had installed for you.
Okay, so that's like a cigarette lighter type outlet, right?
Yeah,
okay.
So that was the extra. That doesn't come standard.
Okay.
Now that you got that, you'll probably never need to use that.
Yeah, well, that's okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. Amazing. All packed up, ready to go.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's such an upgrade. You're going to love it.
Yeah, I can't wait to show you, like, when Julian's out. Because, last night with the tarp was a bit, I was like, I just wish we had it. So, anyhow. Yeah. Oh, this is great. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. This is where the magic happens. So
they're born in the bush. That's why they're comfortable in the bush.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you for showing us and being able to accommodate us and put this on for us.
Yeah.
So
it was great. You're gonna love it.
It's perfect. I think I'm just gonna stay in the car for a second. Maybe this will pass. Oh, it's a little bit haily.
Remember that time I was like, are you sure you don't want to set up the awning when it's not raining?
Yeah, well, I didn't. So now we have this to deal with.
It's 6 degrees.
I'm waiting for this to pass. I'm not getting out.
Oh, it's even got their logo on it. That's sweet.
Yeah. I was gonna ask if you were ready for me to. And you brought this one over and you tied it down to the front.
Sweet.
Want me to put a leg down?
Put the leg down, yeah, just in case. I mean, there's been thunder. We might get wind.
Okay, it's fire time. Okay, I don't know if my little fire starters are gonna work, but we'll give them a try. They're just wood chips, some paper, 8 cartons, and wax. The birthday candle. Alright, well thank you Kevin Wald for the suggestion.
Look, the awning has sweet lights.
Okay, enjoy your hot meal. It's done. Ta-da!
Gonna be delivered by a hot lady.
Yes, there you go. Okay, so far so good. Now, I'll untie it from here. Oh, I'll have to.
Oh, just give it a little, yeah.